Hi guys, welcome to Between the Lines, the podcast where we get to break down the coolest phrases and expressions in English language. I'm your host Tigan, and today we're diving into proverbs and words which we can use to replace very on say and do not say. So get ready to level up your vocabulary and sound like a native speaker. Don't go nowhere, and I'll be right back. You're welcome right back into the show. So guys, we're going to look at African proverbs and their meanings. All lizards lie prostrate. No one knows which of them suffers belly ache. This proverb cautions us basically about judging individuals based on our outward appearances. It has a lot to do with our internal struggles, which may not always be visible to the human eye. Moving on, one does not sip hot soup in a hurry. This proverb highlights the virtue of patience and carefulness, especially in making decisions. A man must not swallow his cough because he fears to disturb others. This proverb means one should not sacrifice their own well-being to avoid inconveniencing others. There should be a balance in essence. So we also have a bird that flies off the earth and lands on an anthill is still on the ground. So this explains the concept of perseverance, right? Even when we seem to have achieved small successes, it's still important to remember your roots, okay? If you want to know the end, look at the beginning. So this proverb emphasizes on the importance of understanding the root cause of something or to predict its outcome. When two elephants fight, it's the grass that gets hurt. So this proverb illustrates when powerful people or high-placed individuals clash, it's often the less powerful people or the less powerful amongst them that suffer the consequences. So lastly, we have he who is destined for power does not have to fight for it. So this proverb suggests that true power comes naturally. It's not necessarily achieved through struggle, right? So it's a wrap on the proverb segment. Let's take this breather and we'll be back with words replacing very in terms of description. Don't go nowhere. Welcome right back. So we'll be looking at words to replace very. This saves you long and unnecessary sentences. It helps your sentences to be apt and straight to the point. Instead of saying very weak, you can say frail. I feel frail instead of I feel very weak. All right. So if you want to say very eager, you can replace eager with keen. I'm keen to know about this. So when you want to say very simple, you can use basic. It's just basic. It's nothing serious, right? So moving on, if you want to say this music is very loud, replace it with deafening. This music is deafening. Then lastly, if you want to say very scared, you can say I am petrified. Well guys, that's a wrap on Say and Do Not Say. That's also a wrap on Between the Lines. Thank you all for always tuning in to make it a date every Monday by 8 p.m. on Between the Lines. If you're loving idioms, proverbs, Say and Do Not Say as much as we do, please subscribe, share our podcast with your friends, and join the conversation even after now. I always love it when you guys give me feedbacks of how our proverbs, Say and Do Not Say, has served as embellishments to your writing, to your speech. And I'm like, okay, we're actually heading somewhere. See you next time on Between the Lines. I remain your host, Tigan. Keep it fresh, keep it idiomatic, keep it proverbial. Bye.